In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide background color in PowerPoint. If you want your presentation to feel polished and on brand, changing the background color is a quick way to make a big visual impact. Let's walk through it together, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and either launch a new presentation or open an existing one you'd like to update. If you're working with a template, don't worry, you can still adjust backgrounds to better match your style. Next, head to the Design tab at the top of the window. This is your control center for the overall appearance of your slides, including themes, variants, and, most importantly for today, backgrounds. On the right side of the Design toolbar, click Format Background. When you do, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll make all your adjustments, and you'll see your slide preview update instantly as you make choices. Inside the panel, you'll see several background fill options. Solid fill lets you choose a single consistent color. Gradient fill blends multiple colors for a smooth transition, great for subtle modern looks. Picture or texture fill allows you to use an image or a built-in texture which can add personality. And pattern fill gives you simple repeating designs for a more graphic style. Today we'll focus on a straightforward color, but these other options are worth exploring later. Choose solid fill for a clean, simple background. Click the color drop-down to open the color picker. You can select from theme colors for a coordinated look, standard colors for basics, or explore more options if you need a custom shade. If you already have brand colors, using theme colors helps keep everything consistent across your slides. As you pick a color, keep readability in mind. Lighter backgrounds pair well with dark text, and darker backgrounds need light text for good contrast. When you're happy with the color, decide how widely you want it applied. Click Apply to All if you want every slide to share the same background. If you only want the current slide updated, just leave it as is and close the panel. Your change will stay on that single slide. Finally, preview your work by going to Slideshow and selecting from Beginning. This full screen view lets you see how the background looks with your content and animations. If anything feels off, hop back to the panel and tweak the color until it fits. Quick recap, open your presentation, go to Design and choose Format Background, pick a fill type, select your color, and apply it to one or all slides. And that's it. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.